Good evening, everyone. Thank you for visiting the channel. And last week I could not post anything on DFM. Uh, I had not reviewed it either. Now I have. I was reviewing this chart of DFM, and I'll be presenting you some facts. And I find some trade emerging on DFM that is worth sharing with all of you. So let's move ahead, but quickly let's run through the disclaimer, and you're requested to review it. In case if you agree to the terms, then only proceed with the next part of video. So on daily time frame, as you can see that DFM was consolidating. There was no trade virtually available, but there was candlestick pattern called bullish sash which formed, which could have been a potential trade, but I do not agree with such trades. I'm not of that opinion that this was a trading signal. However, I am sure that people might have tried to enter over here as well. But the point here is that as I had mentioned it last week, that DFM's chart was not looking very healthy to me. The structure of chart was not very good. So what I have done is that I have drilled down various time frames for you, and I'll be presenting that to you as well. So I have gone through multiple time frames, more than daily. I have gone through 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, etc. etc. I have even gone through the weekly time frame. I am not finding a lot of things shaping up, but the main time frame, the long term time frame, which is daily or weekly probably, are looking to be aligned to the bearish side. However, those are not presenting any trade to me. So now what I did was that I have gone through the lower time frames as well, and mainly on 3 hourly time frame and below that, is 3 hourly and 2 hourly, I could find something. Especially 2 hourly was looking interesting, so I have brought it for you as well. So this is 2 hourly time frame. Before we move ahead, in case if you like the video and if it makes any sense to you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, because it takes hell of a lot of effort to make these videos, and it would be good if we get some traction. Anyways, so on 2 hourly time frame, what happened was that you had a bullish a positive reversal between 1825 and 1886, which got broken briefly, but there was nothing. We could not see much of the downward escalation in price. So eventually what happened was, now 1825, 1886 and 1872 are the price points that would be worth looking at when the price slips at all. And once those levels have been broken, it will be presenting a fantastic shorting opportunity for you. And the reason of saying so is hiding in the volatility which is placed. I have just now made a video on TASI as well. I have not found the volatility aligned as well as it is on DFM right now. So if you want to have a look on TASI, you may review to my other video, but on DFM I am finding that volatility is aligned from the higher time frame, so and those are aligned to the bearish side. So now here the point is that when will possible trade will take place. Now there are a couple of things over here. The most important thing is that there is as you go down, and I'm not showing it to you because that is the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, I have also found a positive reversal followed by a bullish divergence between 1881 and 1866. So this zone is looking to be very strong to me, and generally this is what triggers some of the trades from me. So I would be waiting and watching if these levels are getting broken. So as I mentioned to you, strong confluence is between 1881, 1878, 1886, 1872, 1866 as well. So basically this is these levels are the momentum levels. Once these momentum levels are broken, I have seen that on your 2 hourly and hourly time frame, volatility has squeezed a lot, but it has not deterred the shape of volatility on higher time frame. So what will happen is that you will see the expansion of volatility from this smaller level, and since your bigger time frames volatility is already aligned, so you may see some fierce move also coming on DFM. So this is one side of it. The second side is, since you have positive reversal and bullish divergence pattern, so this also means that there will be equally higher possibility that you may see a bull run as well on DFM. So be very careful. As I have mentioned to you earlier, on this channel we are not recommending any trade. So neither I advise taking any long on any bull side or bear side trade, but this is how it seems to me right now. I think you will see some good decent move in DFM. I just want to mention one more thing, that I am also seeing a negative reversal between 1952 and 1921. So guys, as I mentioned, so I have given you some levels, the momentum levels on the downside, and if 1952 and 1921 are getting broken to the upside, this may trigger the prices to rally higher. But the only thing that I will keep in mind, if I am so I don't trade DFM, but hypothetically if I'm trading DFM, I'll be waiting to see if these levels are getting broken to the upside and volatility is aligned. It will give me more than enough reasons to think that this resistance level should be getting broken as well. So that may be your next support level. So with this, I'm stopping this video. Thank you very much for spending your time. I just want to touch upon that volatility and momentum both you need in order to trade successfully. In absence of those, it is better that you spend your time in pursuing your hobby than to chase the trade. Again, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, you may mention in the comment box, and if you have any question, you may put it across. I'll try to answer those as early as possible. Thank you very much. Thanks. Take care.